now that we're in the better lighting, if you could see how low that is? That hose coming off the coupler, that's got to be bent up. I don't want to do, see, that one's better. See that? So if I could, I would fix it now, but right now I can't. So we're going to put it in the cradle, and we're going to put this one to bed for a little bit, but we're going to play with it soon. Now, what in the world is this? What is this, one of those crocodiles I've been looking for? Now, this is Lima. Oh, yeah. Now it says SNCF. Blue. CC, or Coco 1400. So, CC tells us it's 3-axle, 3-axle, or 6-wheel drive, 6-wheel drive. Now, just because it's supposed to be that, this is Lima. It's probably a 1-truck drive. Now, I know I have another similar Lima Crocodile buried somewhere, but it wasn't next to this one, so I have to find it. Let me put the camera down. Hope you can see what's going on. And now here is the instructions. This is so exciting. It's like going back in time. Oh man, look at that. So it is a version of a crocodile. Neato. So it shows you where these main screws are to take the upper body up off. Looks like it's got the bumpers on. Some detailed parts are not put on yet. We're not going to monkey with that right now. Oh, here she is. Now this is probably from 70s or 80s. Hey, now we got to see if this works. I mean, come on, beauty, get up. Gotta be very gentle. You always have to assume the worst, that it could fall. You want to be extra careful. Now I could tell this has got some lube on it, because look at that. Those dirt in there. Okay, I am incredibly shocked. Look at this. Both of these trucks are powered. Now, not every axle's powered, but so what? If you could take a clear look at that, you see a gear and a gear, no gear. So on one truck, 2 axles powered, 4-wheel out of 6-wheel drive, and the other one, same thing. So that means there's a central motor, and this is made in Italy, and we've got to see if this beauty wants to run. Now I'm not going to put the pantographs up because I'm not really sure. The layout's not pantograph safe. There are some of these experimental pantograph towers along the way, and I'm not sure the height. But these pantographs do work. As you can see how beautiful it is. And wow, this is some nice looking engine. Gotta find the other one. I think I put the other one in the case. Gee, I sure hope there are trains in heaven. Hope I get to heaven, and I hope there are trains there. Because it'd be horrible if you're up there and don't have any of this fun stuff. But now there's a certainty. I know I'm not taking these trains with me. I don't know, maybe God gives you duplicates when you get upstairs if you were a good boy. Let's see if we can get this to run. This church always reminds you of the big guy upstairs. Like Let's see. Let's see. Can we get the train to go? No. She doesn't budge. Now that's sad. Now why? Would a little magic rail zip do the trick? I don't know. Now we're leaving this on 75 power. That's a lot of juice. So, this is probably dirty wheels. But, wow. Do you know, I wonder if this has an on-off switch for the pantograph. You think it's possible, boys and girls? Because if it does, that might mean it won't run unless that switch is thrown. I don't see it. Doesn't mean it's not there, though. Wait a minute. Let's take a closer look. I mean, it's like dead. Gee, I don't see any switch. So I was kind of hoping that maybe it was... Now, you know what? There is something there that could be a switch. But... because it doesn't want to budge. I mean, usually there'd be some life to it. No lights, nothing. Just that abundance of caution. I'm going to take it off. Let's see here. This locomotive C4100, the French State Railway, was built between 1955 and 1959. Gosh darn, I don't see any switch. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait one little minute there. If you have catenary, and you want to feed power from the pantograph, you must buy the blister referred to as 29, blah, 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 which also contains assembly instructions. Oh, so there's a blister pack that you would buy. If you want to. So it's definitely not set up to run from the catenary. Mysterious. Do I feel lucky? Could the wheels be dirty? Could that little tiny brass button up there be a switch? It's interesting because it's brass colored. Nah, I don't think so. You know, gee, that would be incredible if it were. That's damn peculiar. Damn peculiar. Do we dare put a puller on there? That might, see if it's got some life in it. Let's see. What engine can we put on here? It's available and handy and not a monster. Oh, here's a little tiny one. Wait a minute. This is dead too? Maybe I did something wrong over there with the power. Never know. Could be tired. Not thinking. It says no draw from either one of them. This is where you say my kingdom for a switcher. Like an Atlas switcher. Happens to be handy here. Looks filthy. Susquehanna. Remember Abbott and Costello? The Susquehanna Hat Company. Slowly I turn. No, she needs a good cleaning. She's not ready to be the backup QB. My gosh, where'd I get her from? Who can I send out there to save the day? Maybe we need a beast. We need a hero. Oh, a train master. Don't tell me I picked up a dummy. Nah, I couldn't have a dummy Penzi. Not a train master. I don't think Afford made a dummy train master. That would be a sin. I have a feeling there's a hidden pantograph switch on those. And if it's got a hidden pantograph switch, well, guess what? They won't freaking budge. Because there's no completed circuit. You know what? I'm going to have to make a separate show about this and test it. We're going to come back to you, bring you back to life. Same with you. All right, that'll be our next episode. Can't let that rest. Now, since we're here in the now this is some kind of weird streamlined German steam engine. Look at that. I've got one in black, 240, and one in gray, 240. Let's see if we get this to run. This is a Lima engine. Lima LG, but let's see.